is just beyond strange to me that nobody knows the function of dreaming. That's why it kind of comes down to just theories. One of the theories is called threat and simulation theory, where essentially there's this biological advantage that we have to dreaming because we're able to experience our anxieties in a place that's safe and there's not actually like harm that can happen. We're able to rehearse scenarios that give us anxiety prior to it even happening in dreams. Another theory is that your brain is just organizing memories that happen throughout the day, making connections, essentially unclog the brain of everything else that it doesn't need. For example, anything that I learned in math in high school has now been moved out and is filled with just TikTok sounds. And there's been so many different studies showing that we have to hit REM sleep specifically in order to properly remember things. A study in 2010 showed researchers that when presented with a puzzle, those who actually hit REM sleep, not napped, not stayed up and thought about a maze, were actually more likely to complete a 3D maze by their second attempt. The other theory is that dreaming helps to heal us and also take the pain off of traumatic experiences. Even during the REM stage of sleep, if we're having a horrible nightmare, our stress neurotransmitters are way less active than when we're awake. My favorite theory about dreams, and the one that I personally believe in, is that dreams are our conscious mind using symbolic references in order to get our attention or provide meaning. It's very Freudian. If you want to know what some of these symbolic meanings are, like for example, losing your teeth in a dream, I'm going to talk about that in the next part.